EGS TV, Education and More.
Tuoni enkanko ese anase eboebra yenhwe adebi se Ghana ayi nipa nkwako na ho megiem ama efi mienu aba abetoso enso yenhwe yenkanko eni empuntu as a country yeso free education system no enye na education system na kwa yese theory kwa is theoretical system of education. It's your mofano kusua ade wi a no mo omo wi school a graduate rate higher qualification and so now oba betrow application for employment you kusua no ntimi input into practice enketejuma emon wankasa no emfa mo ne bra bibiri nso na wi school so no omo diverting number before from anke ye pesa na die na bo na omo we develop because of say your system of education your curriculum boy bro. Yes, it's your curriculum no from theoretical system of education to entrepreneurship skills oriented. So entrepreneurship skills oriented way a beboma idea be school be practical. A practical knowledge no you be school me in the accredited mama yaho and boy a from my employer ma at unemployment ni so oh my Ghana na unemployment na ye fight no yet me I realize it and yes ye di fie adusiam yi no it's not still a mebunu wa ye ti fie omuni adwuma ye no because of say education omunya en nti no na ye di oman we abro ye education no kura ya hwani ya na asem bi a omampani a odikan Dr. Kwame Nkrumah the late say the black man is capable of managing his own affairs no na empobanesa because one way your education system never be ma ankran na one manage amaye upon all the men we have in this country and the education that we've had mobo as a country I dey fi education you yemura your health say wo yare ho dodo na se wo hospital a you better to say empa anyhow it's COVID ne kowi say we like na empa won so a the necessary equipment was here this how yare eje won kwa no eno so no ye ni bi simply because ye empa ni for is enka omo hwe na on provide sa ne man na sa hospital no nya sa equipment dey sa yare eji enipa nkwa no omo nya adwuma no ono no se no edodo na obefu plane akwa bichi no akosa no yare no asamba to wi awasanka trose salutu se oye MP oye minister oye president ye die nwabro and we need attitudinal change as a country obeko ba bi so na health insurance adwuma obeko ba bi na adwuma na interesting thing about it say and say baby obeko na beka say health insurance adwuma ebia na adwuma. And so, even though you're in charge in the Air Force Street, you send a bear because I buy no what's so no, and you know, it's meant for a bet here. No, not buying back here, or better say a year. You knew any answer. We need attitudinal change as a country, and son yet me acquainting. Doctors for any nurses for every school, as well be a you put some conquer my any in the bank and some not any society. And then they were nurses and doctors our motifi. Mobo or my Ghana, I give fee every same you know. Your movie and go unemployment. Where your education system now, any idea, Brona, a quiet to one, ye chimney, a poor exam center, near first class, near the Albert feeding to know. You are, you getting an intimate from Katage Mama Yamu, into all the time unemployment in the air cost. Your pen of one so M9 me a common buffer so reduce unemployment by even creating jobs for our youth. Mobile. Then I want to let these leaders know and Ghanaians know say the rate at which our unemployment increasing it is becoming a threat to our security system because inside Neduma of someone Neduma it seems say omo and never they say body spray you know omo here because what's in a few are drinking it's in a tunyama basabasa SOE. Maybe so affect you. Cybercrime, I fighting in a liberal computer engineering or university. We know maybe. Now, what do you think that person will do? Ghana pen for any Ghana for ye any near Yamwana or my Ghana into bomb, and we need attitudinal change. Yere economy. Ghana economy at pro-attetia panson United say, agriculture no, ya abandon no. And the Ukrainian who here, Ukrainian who are Ukrainian who colo, because on Ukrainian no if you're sorry in real naughty. But we should bear in mind say Brazil for no matter US for no matter Bebrena ejina kuayoso agriculture. They are dependent on cotton farming, sugarcane farming, and they take home and they develop it as a country. Say idea of mind that a dear new ship kuayoso ni aban ebo kuafo o ma wo ni enye bibia fertilizer ko spray na nyina ye say who kita particle answer ye spray na ma na say the fertilizer na ma wo na ebi nso ton ye diabetes bia ko ma ebi so akoton agiske bu ibotom ngoman Ghana ke yakoye ni dada.
So we are watching. Money cry.
For my woman, ye bibia fertilizer, ko spray na nyina ye say who kita particle answer ye spray na ma na say the fertilizer na ma wo na ebi nso ton ye diabetes bia ko ma ebi so akoton agiske bu ibotom ngoman Ghana ke yakoye ni dada. Say kadi ni chire agriculture so ne krayo eso o ma we and I patronize in our own products. We packaging very nice, and Ghana will produce more and even export some. Naka a yield economic development in this country. But in then you Italian way, China way, US way, Canada, near ye crabba, na you see caneko. As you see, I said, the economy is Jan and also. You see, you see the any dollar and yepe. Anything possible, Mekwa. Ye free on ku ayomu, and we are not even producing and patronizing in this country. Ghana for we need attitudinal change, and our leaders have failed us. We shouldn't fail ourselves. Let's go to security. What do we see in this country? MPB make Ghana for yawo a grappling of. The late Honorable JB Dampa, no other will feel ye kukuno. Till now, ye hu nipa okunu, nipa ikuna or say, or no, or say okuno, or china or sissy. Yentimi arrive at the final solution. Journalists be no other or any demo Ashanti region, ye kukuno pa. Ye hu ye kosi. A police vote kukuno for so. Ye no monya and robbers. Ye come kwa adwom kwa from nsem. E rate ni atam taxpayers money and ye acquire compensation. And ye bonsem. We are joking as a country. And then ye hu yetimi ku obi ye police be ye hwemu be 1,000 years. Ahmed Hussein Swali our investigative journalist. No one Tiger IPI and a year. Yekukuno Madina free as a standard, ye know, be a boom prostitute. Ghana ran for the rule of law and Yedma on a Yafu, a scaffold the near fever war. Insecurity in this country is too much. And then yet a few moon start here, and yet be a buying moon start here. From day one till now, Ghana no, the security system is too porous. No fire MP, men and nine assembly mine. No for Nia, a papa, any president. They are come near Napo. We are not one Casani Munu on Peso Baby. but because of say all political godfathers you are connecting more room no so and obi police ni na when you to them amroba no mo kwa so do mo ambo no mo omu wiade and so yes o mo buy ban shanka. We need attitudinal change as a country, and we are claiming say we are 62 years old. And then you will say you feel education, corruption in this country. Now you can't corruption near politicians and council. We shouldn't throw the torchlight on politicians alone. Your practices are is full of corruption practices. And there will be a study also Ghana Education Service. I just want discounts and why. Will be a study also Controller and Accountant General. This was discounts and why. Will be a study also Custom Division. I just want discounts and why. Will be a study also Jubilee House. I just want discounts and why. Uni will be a bit yes Kamana. Obejo ademudia wadia eyeso onsaka no onsaka ebeko the wrong person or because or no bitu ya no wante corruption ekun Ghana corruption ti road contractors omo be dey kwan wi contract enwi no next car come say chocho pia bi because obetu afa it at the end of the day there's one squeeze can be no dey skat kitwo na ye kwan no akoye shodi we enti na insuta na over kwan na ekose road accident ni ewu ya kwanti nkonso ene ya kwanketso we need attitudinal change as a country as we claim say e dey 62 years Ghana at 62 years and so and dey ni sanitation abe national kanka Ghana ni didi owia no ato atwene ha onu nso wi owia no da atwe ha ene benku nifa front and back no area na ye true it is say na ebedi emu ni kura ko no abaye problem oh my way no amaye na wo ko Ghana protein form ti say enkran dia emobo akwantin pon akese so ne apaki rule go Ghana we deserve better than this. We need attitudinal change. Na ya bomo di apaki rule for good as me mo we no say AMA4 and now say district assembly how we in charge of those refuse number for crampo no na papa ya sem and no bit me did you as zoom line for moduma say now they are too ekwen because zoom line wa bebra mobo ye leaders no want feeling so we shouldn't fail ourselves. We need attitudinal change and then you my way vigilantism ama ye democracy na ye immature